together. Hi my cutiepies, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm doing Smytten unboxing. If you don't know what is Smytten, if you don't know trials of Smytten, 6 trials, pre-trials, I speak about all of these in this video a lot. So if you don't know about Smytten, just click the I button and watch the first video so that you will understand everything, because in that video I clearly explain everything. Then you could watch the second video also, no problem. So today I'm gonna unbox the Smytten box. It's been a long time that I ordered from Smytten. Either it could be a trials or either it could be a product. So today we are finally doing that. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So as usual, this is how the packaging came. So I cut it from the back, and this is the front. It contains my invoice, address, everything. So I want to open this. So I have 3 products. This is a pre-trial package this time, and so chalo, let's get talking about the product. And so basically I'm not reviewing the products because yesterday itself I got the box, and yesterday I couldn't shoot because of rain, and today I'm shooting. I don't review this. I'll review further on my channel, but I'm just showing you the products here. So this is the first product, which is Raw Natural Moisturizer, which contains caramel and cedar wood, which is natural product and a vegan product. So this is how it look like. So it came in a plastic bottle. It is of 30 grams of the product, and so the packaging is cute. Like, it's cute. And so now let me open this. So there's a mediator lid between. I really love that. So, okay. 2 minutes silence, please. Okay. I mean, this contains a strong. Okay. This contains a strong fragrance. I mean, oh my god. So I don't know why they mix it caramel and cedar wood together, because cedar wood have a strong stability of fragrance. Caramel have a sweet fragrance, but this cedar wood have like a strong fragrance, dude. They're not mixing together. I can literally smell the fragrance of cedar wood itself. No caramel, and so they're saying that it's lasting hydration, non-greasy for all skin types, which means it also works for sensitive skin, which I am. But I don't think cedar wood works on sensitive skin. I'm not too sure, but I'll definitely try this product and review this one. And if you are not a fragrance lover, when it coming to products, then this is not your choice. Like, this is not. So the second product is Organic Harvest Happy Lips Strawberry Flavored Lip Balm with shea butter. So I mean, okay, coming to lip balms, I mean, I'm not that much a freak for lip balm. Okay, I just use Eva lip balm, Vaseline, and some local wala lip balms. Even I have high-end lip balms I don't use. But actually this product itself is for 200, but I got 3 products. I mean 2 here, 1 here. I got totally for 200, so I thought let me go with this. So this is a full size product. It contains 10 grams of the product in this. So I didn't open this one. Finally I'm opening this before the camera. My dream come true. So yeah, I love to open products before the camera, dude. I don't know why. So this is how it look like. So this is how we need to open. At the back down here there is a logo of Organic Harvest. So this is how you need to open. This is the product. Oh my god. I mean, I can't wait to put it up on my lips, but currently I couldn't because I have a lipstick. So yeah. So I can't wait to try this product. I'm not that much of lip balm freak, as I said, but I may love this one, but God knows everything. So we have this one here. Many YouTubers raved about this product, and finally we have this in our hands. Bioderma Sensibo H2O Micellar Water Solution. Look at this beauty. I mean, just look at this beauty. Like, I mean, this is so cute. I say so cute. I know it's weird, but you have a thing here, right? It's so crazy. So let me be honest, I know I'm saying this line a lot of times, but so guys, I always have this. So I am with sensitive skin, so I cannot buy every product which suits for sensitive skin because they may work, they might not. And when I saw this in the trial of Smytten, I was like, okay, this is mine, and I got this. So I can buy the big bottle as well, but if it was not working for me, I cannot do anything with that. I should just store that in my room, which I hate. So we have this here. I will try this. I'll definitely review this one. And I can't wait to try this one. When I remove this makeup, I'll use this one, just this beauty. And this is the last product. I really love the packaging, but there is no any mediator lid between the cap and the bottle, so that's something here. Hope you loved this video. If you did, then please do click the like button, share, comment and subscribe, and tap on the bell icon to see you next time. Till then, again.